Hi guys, it's me Jhariel once again and welcome back to my channel.
I can't believe it every day and night. You are the only one who's on my mind.
May good news ako sa inyo mga guys. Tonight we're going to travel in one of my dream destination here in Greece. So we're going to go out of town guys. So by tonight we'll be traveling at 12 midnight and then we'll be in Santorini tomorrow. So I'm gonna bring you there guys. So as much possible, I'm going to vlog out there guys. So see you there guys. Our luggage is ready. So we're gonna put a few items only here and then we're ready guys. We just arrived at Piraeus Port, so we're gonna take that ferry going to Santorini guys. It's huge! This is our ferries. We're gonna take this ferries going to Santorini guys. Blue ferries. Delos Ferries. Hi guys, we're already in the ferry. We're the first passengers who board the ferries. We're looking for up there. Okay, so we're in economy class. So we're finding our seats. My hubby wants to sit outside so he can smell fresh air. So you can also sit here. You're near in the, yes, you'll be near in the shops. As you can see guys, we're very masked. Oh, this is also sit. Oh yeah, I found the toilet. It's there. So we're already inside guys of the Delos Ferries. Oh, business class guys. Okay, we're going to business class. Here. We're already inside the ferries guys. So we're finding our seats. We're looking for our seats. Oops. You can also sit here. We're gonna check it here. So this is the outside guys. Is this the front of the ferries? We wanted to go here, outdoor sitting bar. Correct, must go up here. Oh, no exit here. We're gonna use the lift to going out. We're looking how to go outside. Oh, it's here. Oh, so this is the outside seat, guys. Finally, guys, we found the exit outside, so we can able to breathe the fresh air. My husband doesn't want air conditioning. Oh, so it's here. Oh, it's like small. That's all. Over. Hey guys, iniwan ako saglit si Dimitris doon. Naglalakad-lakad ako saglit. Ayan guys. Nandito ako sa side ng ferry. Nandukas kami sa pinaka-back ng ferries, guys. So it's not also hot there, but it's not windy. Yeah, update ko lang kayo guys. We leave Athens at exactly 7:30 and we'll be there in Santorini on, because we're gonna sail for 7 hours, exactly 7 hours. Yeah, so we're gonna be in Santorini at exactly 2:30 guys. Hopefully it's exactly 2:30. So we'll be sailing at 7 hours guys. So guys, later update ko na lang kayo pag nasa Santorini na kami because I'm saving my battery. There's a cameraman here. arriving in Paros, guys. Paros is there. That's the first stop. It's our first stop going to Santorini. And and then after